Orbit mode to me is the most fun. It is the best. And if you haven't tried orbit mode, you need to try it. Dead random, all right. This is Dad Random. I am active tracking today. I'm in an area where it's pretty much mostly bikes and off-road vehicles. It's high in elevation, so you're going to get some very dramatic shots. And the Mini, I'm basically got all 3 batteries because I have no idea how I'm going to basically approach these shots. You know, everything seems to be a little bit kind of organic at times with me. But with the Mini 3, you got a lot of freedom. The Mini 3 is going to protect you. It's going to keep you out of trouble, and then if you do crash it, it's not a huge expense to replace it. So I would say I would rather take these types of shots with the Mini than I would with a drone like the Mavic. So let's go ahead and do some active tracking with the Mini. And for you guys that are still on the fence about buying the Mini, this one should bring you over the top. You have motorcycles, you have bikes, you have anything that would require you to want to have those action shots for your vacation. You want to take some shots of you know, jumping, coming off of jumps. You want you know, action cliff shots. This is it. This is your baby. Okay. Right. So today we're focusing on orbit mode. Orbit mode to me is the most dynamic shot. It's probably the safest when it comes to flying because all you have to do is monitor the drone and that's pretty much it. And pretty much take care of all the stuff you're supposed to take care of. Even if you're off-roading, driving is probably the most important thing you're doing. Let the drone orbit and just, you know, like I said, find a safe spot, find a place that's wide open and let the drone orbit around you and have it catch what I consider to be some of the most beautiful shots of any vacation. Okay? Okay, using orbit mode with your Mini 3. Here, I'm going to go ahead and shut my recording off. All right, so dead random, little bit of orbit mode with the Mini 3. Orbiting is easy. It's the third option in your tracking series. You have active track, which allows you to actually move the drone while you're tracking. You have spotlight mode, where the drone is basically keeping a point of interest in frame. And that's another really interesting shot, but it's a very short shot. But probably orbit is the most fun shot when you are doing any kind of active track shooting. Orbit mode to me is the most fun. It is the best. And if you haven't tried orbit mode, you need to try it. Dead random. All right. Orbit mode with the Mini 3 Pro. Yes, and we got this Pro controller, don't we? All right. All right, let's get to it. Let's take off and let's go fly.